so what do we have first?
So who here has seen me ride before? Alright, we got a couple. Honestly, that's better. Who here has seen any type of street freestyle? Alright, so hey, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a little intro of how I got started first in the wheelie category, warm up to that, and then we'll see if I can ride some freestyle, but hopefully I can give you guys a little knowledge about the sport that I compete in. Who's ready to see some turning and burning? Yeah!
So for those of you who don't know, the wheelie is a trick where the rear wheels of the bike is bounced momentarily. Let's hear it, guys. It's his first trick at the age of 13. So he's going to be showing you from the most basic moves to the not so basics. Can you do that? That's what we stand up for you right there. Let's hear it. At least 5 competitions, 30 events in the US alone, 2 international tours a year, and he's got so many shows. Red Bull Showcross, Red Bull Utah, Red Bull MotoGP, and Indy 500, just to name a few. He's toured in countries like Costa Rica, Colombia, Guatemala. It's crazy. So we have a little insight coming up next.
Yeah, so what do you guys think of the little intro there? Who wants to see me actually ride some freestyle? Need a little bit more than that.
We need a little bit more than that. Come on, guys. He came all the way from Santa Monica. Much, much better, guys. Alright, so he's going to do a little turn and burn. This is his first freestyle set. Let's hear it, Vanilla. Let's hear it. Keeping a bike stationary while spinning its rear wheel. Let's hear it, guys. Put the hands together. Dude, it's so early. I hear you guys getting quiet. That's not supposed to be happening. Make some noise, guys. Come on. I want your hands clapping and your mouths moving. And up he goes. I'd like to see you try and do that on 2 wheels, right? What is he gonna do next? With the life motto of eat, sleep, and breathing, you can see that this guy is not stopping at what he does. Let me hear you guys! The amount of balance that takes, seriously. of love from you guys. Let's hear it! And we can tell you love him. Now let's show you guys in return how much we love you, right? We're gonna get some people to join us today.
Yeah, we're gonna get some people to join us and kind of practice my precision. So hopefully you guys can give me a grade. See how I do after this. So I'm gonna see how high I can score on these. So you guys be sure to keep an eye on me. Make sure I'm keeping up to par.
All right, so class is in session, guys. We are gonna do a few tricks right here just to see how well Aaron can hit the spot. All right. So can we get a volunteer for our first stunt? Do we have a volunteer?